birds. Can I stay with you? He asked. No, you are too ugly, they said. So the ugly duckling went away, swim, swim, swim. He was very sad. Oh, look, a tear's coming out. He's starting to cry.
Oh, because he's so sad.
The ugly duckling cried and cried, but he also grew and changed. One day he met some tall white birds. Oh my, they were so pretty. Why are you so, why are you sad, they asked. Because I am ugly, he said. Look in the water, they said. So the ugly duckling did. Oh my, he said, I had changed a lot. He was a pretty swan, just like them.
Aww. What a nice story.
There's also questions. Wait a minute, it's 13, page 15. No, that's not right.
That's it.
No, it's not. It says page 15, no, page 13.
That's right.
Page
14.
14. Do you want to live with us? And they asked. Oh, yes, the ugly duckling. Said the ugly duckling. But why did it say ugly duckling? He's not ugly anymore. It says ugly.
That's right.
Why did it say ugly?
Well, it's just a story, I think. That is a good question.
Then he went away with the swans, swim, 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 and they all swam happily ever after.
Another questions?
Yeah.
How did the yellow, pink, and blue birds treat the ugly duckling?
Bad.
Why?
Because he was ugly.
And what did they tell him?
Go away.
How did that make him feel?
Sad.
Was it nice?
No.
How did the ugly duckling feel at the beginning of the story?
Sad.
How did he feel at the end?
Happy.
Why did he feel happy?
Because because he changed, he wasn't ugly anymore.
And what else made him happy? Who did he find?
Parents.
It's important, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
The swans were kind. Use 3 other words to describe them.
The big ones are big, and the one of them are little.
Okay, big and little, yeah.
And they have orange and black beaks.
Orange and black beaks.
That is beautiful.
It's beautiful, yeah.
And also, the big 2 birds. The parents were very nice.
They were very nice. That's right. You do a good job. Connor's comprehension is always so good, Auntie Mary. He understands all the stories so well.
Wow, that's so good, Connor.
On so many levels. Yeah.